Today, we're going to open the Accio monthly subscription box for June 2019. So this month was a little bit delayed because they were waiting on a product, but they were really great about keeping all of us informed as to how long it was going to be delayed and all that. And it actually sounds like the June box should be here sometime in the next week, week and a half. So I will have a June unboxing for you as soon as that arrives as well. But yeah, so this is the June 2019 box. And for those of you who haven't been here, I did an unboxing last month, and that was my first Accio box I've received. And they're actually doing the years. So this is book 4, or year 4 for Harry. And this one is going to be the Goblet of Fire. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm super excited to see what Danny from Muggle Magic came up with for the book cover for this one. Oof. Oh, okay, it seems really full, so that's awesome. Okay, so we've got some black tissue paper here. Ooh, okay, so right on the top. Awesome. So we have, it's a little bank for SPEW, which is the Society for the Promotion of Elvish Welfare, and it's a donation little tin. That is super cute. I love that. Okay, and I love SPEW, and I'm sad that it didn't make it into the movies, but I get it. But yeah, that's really, really cute. I like that a lot. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, okay. That's awesome. So it says, support Cedric, the real champion, and then it says Potter stinks. So that is really, really cool. I love that they did the little holographic style button. That's awesome. Okay, super cute. Good start off to the box. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. So we got a can koozie for the 1994 World Cup for Quidditch, and this is the Ireland champs. So that's awesome. It's got the little Accio logo on the bottom. That is super cool. You know, since they won, because Crumb can't count points and caught the snitch before they were able to catch up from being behind the Irish. So awesome. So we have this really great pin of the Triwizard Cup. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out so you can see it. It's really pretty. It's got like glitter enamel. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. They have glitter enamel where the glass is, so it gives that like reflective quality. That is beautiful. That is a really nice pin. Okay, I love that. So far, I'm digging everything in the box. Okay, cool. So we got a shirt, which we haven't gotten a shirt yet since I've gotten the box. Again, this is only my second Accio box. Cool, hang on. So it is a Weird Sisters shirt, which is awesome because they're the ones who performed at the Yule Ball, and I love that it's a Weird Sisters shirt because Tonks loves Weird Sisters, and I just think that's awesome. So that's really cool. So it says Magic Works World Tour 1994. That's great, and I love the dark color, and this is really soft. It seems like it's a very nice quality shirt, so cool. All right, let's see. Oh, here's Danny's book cover, and it looks like they started putting them in a tube, probably to protect them because some of them were coming with a little bit of damage, so I appreciate that. Let me open this up. Okay, I can see a little peak of green. Ooh, okay, cool. Let's see. So it is Potent Portals. What does that say? A guide to otherworldly travel. That's awesome. Well done, Danny. Very cool. I love the purple and green, which kind of mimics the original book cover because it has the green. That's cool. And I'll wrap my book with this and show you guys what it looks like here in a minute, but that is beautiful. And again, it's printed on that really awesome paper. I can't even describe. It almost feels like it has like a waxy coating It's just very, very well done, very well printed, super nice. Yeah, I love that. All right, so let's see if there's anything else in the box before I wrap my book. I think it might just be, yep, okay, cool. So for the Book 4 Accio Profit, we have the Weird Sisters shirt, the SPEW collecting tin, which is just so cool, the Tournament Cup glitter enamel pin, the Potter Stinks badge, the World Cup Champs Ireland koozie, and then the Potent Portals book cover, again by Danny. So I loved this. I thought this was very representative of just book 4 in general, and a lot of the things that maybe didn't necessarily make it into the movies that should have. So I love this. I thought this was a great box. So let's go ahead and put the book cover on the book. Okay, so here we are, our book 4 in its new cover. So I love that. And it's really nice because, again, the original book cover has a lot of green, and then when you open it up, there's the purple. So the colors, again, go beautifully with it. And yeah, I love these covers. They're really, really cool. All right, well, that's going to be it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.